Picture this. Two crispy dishes sizzling side by side, cooked to perfection, no flavor crossover, no extra time wasted. Today I'll walk you through the top 7 dual air fryers that make this dream a reality. You'll learn which ones truly deliver, and find buy links in the description to grab your ideal pick. At number 7 is Honinjoy 10-quart dual basket. Shockingly, I discovered the Honinjoy 10-quart dual basket air fryer, priced at $139.99, can replace 2 machines at once, and that's why it cracked my top 7 dual air fryer list. With 2 independent 5-quart baskets, you can cook steak and veggies simultaneously, no flavor crossover, no juggling batches. Its viewing window lets you sneak peeks without losing heat. The 10 one-touch modes and sync cook and sync finish deliver smart convenience. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts and the included liners. In my tests it crisped fries and roasted meat evenly, something some other dual air fryers in the list struggled with under full load. Downsides? It's wide and demands counter space. But for families who want speed, versatility, and peace of mind, this is a smart, powerful choice worth buying. On number 6 is COSORI Dual 9-quart. Here's a jaw-dropper. The COSORI Dual 9-quart lists for $169.99, but it's got a capability that makes it stand tall in the top 7 dual air fryers. With 2 4.5-quart baskets, it lets you cook protein and veggies side by side, no flavor crossover, no waiting, a real fix for those juggling dinner timing. The sync finish and sync cook modes are smart, though in some tests they drifted slightly out of sync, a minor gripe but still better than many rivals. I love the clear viewing windows, tilt display, and included racks. It feels premium. Compared to others, COSORI is more compact yet still powerful. The pros are even cooking, versatile presets, elegant design. The cons are sync drift, limited simultaneous broiling. If you want streamlined, simultaneous meals without overhauling your kitchen, it's a strong pick, but if perfect sync is your priority, compare others to see which handles that best. At number 5 is West Bend Double Up. Here's a bold thought. For $149.99, the West Bend Double Up brings you full 10-quart dual basket capability, no flipping, no wait. With 15 one-touch presets and dual cook and sync finish, it lets you roast fish and crisp fries in parallel. Each basket runs independently from 90° to 400° Fahrenheit, solving the classic timing mess many face before upgrading to a dual fryer. Its 1,600-watt power delivers serious heat, and the non-stick baskets make cleanup far easier. But it's not flawless. The size is bulky compared to some other top 7 dual air fryers, and the presets sometimes need manual tweaking. If your kitchen can absorb the footprint and you value convenience over minimalism, this is a smart, confident buy. But if counter space is tight, consider a leaner model instead. At number 4 is Gourmia Dual. Here's something that surprised me. The Gourmia Dual can sync 2 totally different dishes to finish exactly together. No more pulling one out early and letting it go cold. At its $129.99 price, it lands solidly in my top 7 dual air fryer picks. With match cook and smart finish, those timing nightmares disappear, just set and relax. Its Fryforce 360-degree airflow crisps better than many contenders I've tested, while the angled touchscreen plus guided prompts make it feel like a smart co-chef. But, yes, there's a catch: when both baskets are full, crisping may soften, and its size is chunkier than some rivals. Compared to the more compact, Gourmia is heavy but powerful. If you're feeding a crew but don't want different machines, it's a strong pick. But if you obsess over ultra-crisp perfection every time, also explore its slim competitors. On number 3 is Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL. Want to cook 2 dishes perfectly at once instead of juggling batches? The Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL, priced around $159.95, brings that dream closer than many in the top 7 dual air fryers. With dual baskets, sync cook and sync finish, and even crisp tech, it promises crisp food with 95% less oil. The clear cook viewing windows let you monitor progress without heat loss. Its touchscreen interface feels intuitive and polished. In tests, it delivered fast, even cooking performance and handled family-size meals with ease. However, no model is perfect. Some units report uneven browning on full loads, and cleanup of inner racks can be fiddly. Compared to more compact dual fryers in my list, Vortex XL is larger and demands space. If your kitchen can support it and you want bold versatility and clarity into your cooking, it's a compelling buy. But if you crave compactness or absolute precision under load, also check the smaller dual models I reviewed. At number 2 is Chefman TurboFry Touch. Ever tried cooking two completely different dishes at once and ended up stressing over timing? The Chefman TurboFry Touch Dual Basket Air Fryer, priced around $99.96, feels like a lifesaver for multitaskers. With its 9-quart capacity, sink finish, and dual air baskets, it turns chaos into perfect harmony, crispy fries and tender chicken done together. The touch display is sleek and responsive, while the auto shake reminder adds a pro touch, keeping your food evenly golden. Cleanup? A breeze. Non-stick baskets and dishwasher safe liners make it almost too easy. Compared to pricier models, Chefman delivers similar real-world comfort for less money. Sure, it's bulkier and a bit loud, but if you're looking for smart timing, simplicity, and peace of mind in one unit, this one's tested and truly worth it. Now moving to the last one is Ninja Foodi. Here's a sharp take on the Ninja Foodi 2 basket, 6-in-1, dual zone, which currently retails around $159.99. Imagine cooking steak and roasted veggies simultaneously. That's exactly what Ninja's dual zone brings. With 2 independent baskets and features like Match Cook and Smart Finish, this unit solves the one dish finishes too early nightmare many face. Its IQ Boost system reallocates power smartly, helping even under full load. I found results moist and golden, better than some single basket models in my top 7 dual fryer roundup. But it's not perfect. When both baskets are fully loaded, one side may brown slower, and its footprint is larger than sleeker competitors. Compared to others, Ninja feels more premium but costs more. If you often cook full family meals and want precise timing, this is a smart investment. If you're after ultra-compact ease, consider lighter dual options too. After weighing all 7, Ninja Foodi takes the crown. It combines powerful dual-zone tech, smart finish and match cook modes, and lightning-fast heat-up to deliver consistent results. Its dual baskets let you cook 2 dishes at once, no compromise, no waiting. In my tests, it outperformed many in crispness, flexibility, and smart synchronization. Some drawbacks. It's bulkier and may take more counter space. But for home cooks who want speed, versatility, and reliability, it's a smart choice worth investing in. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best dual air fryer. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.